Sorry, I hit the stop button, so new video. Yeah, I couldn't pull the curtains back there. They're kind of stuck, but I don't think there's anything that looks all normal. I'll come in here again. This is the room. Look at the sill plate here as much as I can. This ceiling here is obviously buckling a little bit here and there, and this sort of plywood, whatever the ceiling is, but again, doesn't look like it's anything horribly awry. Let me go into this boiler room and do the same. Plate. That's that. Let me see how much I can get. Just under the stairs. And this is going up and outside, so this looks like it's all covered on this side. And here it's all sort of finished as well. Go to this one last room here. I don't think I went in here for the sill plate yet, so I'll go up on the sill plate here. And that's an inside wall. This is outside wall. That's the sill plate. Here's the furnace. Twist you here. Obviously you can hear it's kind of noisy. Maribel said she thought this was probably gonna need something. Here's the record of things. Let's see where it vents. Looks like let's see, is this venting out? Where does this go? Oh, that's just coming into here. So here's the this is asbestos, this thing here. Come back and have Alban show me. He's looking upstairs right now. But, so there's a few pipes. I guess I'm not sure exactly what's venting here. I remember you said you wanted to see how it vented up into the chimney or what. Let me see. Piping around furnace. Okay, I think I've just covered that. A couple more. A little sort of raceways or whatever. Look, it's fairly. Oops, let me get the light up here. Old sort of forced air things. Here's something a little newer. So this is the chimney. Oh, so maybe this is the thing here. Here's a pipe going into the chimney. That's what I'm looking for, I'm guessing. So this pipe here goes right into the chimney here, right in behind the furnace. There's the back of it. Looks like there was another place for something to plug in to the chimney. Probably a wood-burning stove down here or something. Let me see. Furnace, piping around furnace, electrical panel, open shop, we got that. Hot water heater. It's right here. Looks newer than the furnace, but Oh yeah, it says new 114.3, so I guess that's 2003. Almost done here. Let's see. All right, so now let me, I'll do one more pass around the pipes here, and then we'll go up to the attic. There's the pipes for the washer. This is the electrical going into the panel box. This looks like it's the gas. So it looks like reasonable copper. The back of the furnace. So it's this old April Air. I've seen these in a few of these houses. April Air model 560. Here's the Thermopride oil-fired furnace. Model OL585. For whatever that's worth. Maybe take a little bit of a closer look at the tank here for you. This is the oil tank. It's got a newer gauge. This looks like that's gas probably going up to the kitchen for the stove. Oops.